Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have ACER M10 and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. To manage your Google passwords, open Google Chrome application. In it, tap three dots on the right corner and there choose settings option. Now we scroll down and choose password option, where we have password which our device remember, maybe to our booking account. To manage it, we click on it. And now we can copy our username, copy our password using this first icon, or after we press on our eyes icon, our smartphone show us password which remember. Now our smartphone, our table. We can also edit something by tap there and write something new and change what you need. And after that we can also delete this password from our device using this trash icon and confirm it by delete password. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.